Because first of all, how did you get the idea to want to follow Raga to begin with? It doesn't come by Vaidhi sadhana. Never. You can practice Vaidhi, you can do 10,000 artiks a day for 10,000 years, and you'll never start Raganuga Bhakti. 12309, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Purva Vibhag, second Lahari, verse 309. At the end of the Sadhana Bhakti chapter, there's 270 verses about Sadhana Bhakti, and there's 40 verses about Raganuga Bhakti. 40 shlok, Raganuga Bhakti Vichara. Last one, Shesh number, he says, Bhagavan Kurunya Bhakta Kurunya, Lobaika, Matra Hetunanena. Matra means only. I mean, I only know the word for word. I don't know Sanskrit. Don't misunderstand. I'm just telling you. Lobaika means same as Hindi, lob. And then hetu means cause. And this is Sanskrit. So the only cause for greed, genuine interest, I want it. I have to have it. Like a thirst. When you're thirsty, I have to give me some water, Coke, something, Of course, only water will do, but something. And then that's greed.